Hello and welcome to another HELiOS short clip for Major Release 2500. This time with the completely revised mask editor, which I am going to open now by clicking on this modified icon above. When starting the mask editor, we directly see that it has its own login window now. This ensures that only HELiOS users with administrative rights can access the mask editor. Besides speaking of administrators, we have created new ways to distribute masks by improving the mask editor, allowing us to store customized masks on one workstation, that is, to keep different masks for different users. As before, we have the option to store computer-specific masks and, requested by many, to store masks in central directories, which are then pulled from these directories when HELiOS is restarted, thus ensuring fast distribution within the company. After I have logged in, we immediately see the new Start dialog of the masks editor. Here the masks are displayed in clear text. I would simply open the article processing and the article display. Up here we see that the overview has been changed with tabs, and thanks to the revision, the mask editor now also has a higher resolution than before, and you have the option, if you want to edit two masks next to each other, to move them anywhere by drag and drop. And now I would like to insert a new data field and text field into such a mask. For this purpose we click on Data field above, and here we see a new attribute selection with filter options. I will choose the attribute standard designation and insert it here, so the procedure is very similar to the old mask editor. Here I can adjust it downwards, adjust it to the left, and define the same width. Now I add a text field to describe the data field, and a completely new feature is that all properties of a text field or data field are now bundled together and displayed on the right side of this property panel. Thus I can now choose a new text color right here, however I can use the standard formatting as well. When unticking the box above, I am allowed to create my customized formatting. For example, I can change the format to bold, font size 11, and choose Arial as font. Here below I enter the desired text, and my respective text field is ready. Now I place and align it in the dialog window. So this is how we put our data and text field into our mask very quickly. Just to explain another feature as we are working in this area, we have the option to set read-only in order to protect data fields. Usually you had to remove the ticks for the allowed characters to protect the field. By activating the protection, the lower hooks are automatically disabled. Unticking it makes the lower options accessible again. And this should be time-saving, however, it is only one small feature of many others that have been implemented. One can mention many more new features, but this is enough for this short sequence now. Thank you for your attention and see you soon. Bye!